Good morning, everybody. Well, more like good afternoon because it's already 1. But yeah, I'm just out here in the backyard, doing my thing. Good nature. Excuse my hair, I'm a little nappy right now, but it's all good. I'm just letting it be, It's how it is. But just wanted to talk about this morning. Like, I come out here and wake up and I look up and I see the whole sky is gray. It doesn't even look like clouds. It just looks like flat out just gray color. And I'm like watching, shout out to Ralph Smart, Infinite Waters. I watch him and stuff. He's awesome, And everybody, involved in the community, conscious community, all of them, they're all good people, they're finding their ways. And I'm finding my way too. But yeah, this morning the whole sky was gray, and then I don't know, I was watching the live stream and, it was a good time. And I don't know, it was weird because I typed in the comment section, in the the live feed and with the comments and all that. I typed in the sun will cut through the clouds, and I just typed that in, right? And what do you know? I just let it go and let it happen and stuff. So I just keep watching the feed and positive vibes and all that. And I go inside because I start I don't know, the clouds were kind of like bothering me because I don't know, just getting all these thoughts, and I started thinking that like the clouds were making me sick because I woke up kind of sick, I had mucus and all that. But yeah, I typed that in, and then I go inside, and then like my mom asked me to go, get some milk and stuff, so I go walk and get some milk, and I'm still watching the live stream, raising the vibes up and stuff. And then as I'm inside watching the feed and for a bit, I look outside in my backyard, which is here, and the sun came out. Legit, the sun came out. It's almost like I manifested it, through the comment section, and I was just like blown away. And like, it's all chill now. You feel me? With the sun out. Yee-hoo. Look at that. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that, and you can literally manifest anything you want. Anything you want, just speak it, type it, anything. Just make sure you type good things, positive vibes, karma. It all just happens, cycles and all that. But yeah, just wanted to speak on that today. And yeah, if anything comes to my mind, I'll say it to y'all. I'm gonna start up a new thing I want to get going, and we all gonna find ourselves. I'm gonna find myself. Together we can do this. We can beat evil. We will. But yeah, peace, guys. See you next time.